Contractions are shortened versions of words. Informal contractions are used in spoken English in informal settings. For example, when you're talking to your family or friends or people you know well. For example, your colleagues. These can often sound like slang words, however, they are not slang words. You may commonly hear native English speakers using informal contractions when speaking quickly. We usually combine words to make a shorter word by removing some letters. However, unlike formal contractions, we don't replace the missing letters with an apostrophe. We can sometimes add extra letters to the word. Now I will go through the common informal contractions in English. Am not, are not, is not, ain't. Has not, have not, ain't. A lot of, a lotta. Bet you, betcha. Because, cause or cuz. Come on, come on. Could have, coulda. Cup of, cuppa. Do you, do. Did you, didja. Didn't you, didn't-ya. Don't you, don't-ya. Don't know, dunno. Give me, gimme. Going to, gonna. Got you, gotcha. Got to, gotta. Have got a, gotta. Have to, have-to. Has to, has-to. I'm going to, I'm-a. Isn't it, in it. Kind of, kinda. Let me, lemme. Lots of, lotsa. Might have, mighta. Much of, mucha. Must have, musta. Need to, needa. Ought to, oughta. Out of, outer. Should have, shoulda. Shouldn't have, shouldn't-a. Sort of, sorta. Some more, small. Tell them, tell 'em. Used to, used-a. Want a, wanna. Want to, wanna. What are you, whatcha. What have you, whatcha. Won't you, won'tcha. Would have, woulda. Wouldn't have, wouldn't-a. You, ya. Now let's go through some example sentences. I ain't going to school today. She ain't finished her homework. I've got a lot of work to do. Bet you don't know the answer. I can't come to the party 'Cause I'm ill. Come on, let's go. We coulda walked to the shop. Would you like a cuppa? This is a common British contraction and it refers to a cup of tea. What do you want to eat? Did you go to the festival last week? Didn't you go to her house? Don't you know the answer? I dunno how to get to the market. Gimme the book. I'm gonna exercise today. I gotcha coffee. He's got to go to the meeting. I've got a headache. I have to revise for my exam. She has to be home by 9 p.m. I'ma go to London on Friday. Your class is at 10 o'clock, innit? I feel kinda dizzy. Let me know when you arrive. She bought lots of sweets. I might have left my bag in the car. It's not much a surprise. He must have been tired. I need a new phone. We ought to finish the project. I'm out of here. You should have told me how you felt. We shouldn't have argued. What sort of things does she like? Would you like some more coffee? Tell him why you were late. I used to exercise every morning. I want to move back to London. Do you want to watch a movie? What you doing tonight? What you been doing all day? Won't you come to the wedding? He would have bought the house. I wouldn't have done that. I miss ya.